welcome back to Revit 2020 Basic Architectural Modeling. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Annotation tool to tag rooms and door, and then create regions. Let's use the previous 3D model for this exercise. Before we're going to do tagging, we need to duplicate the floor plan and then add door to the model. To duplicate a floor plan, go to Project Browser, Floor Plan, and left click to select Level 0. Right click to select Duplicate with Detailing and rename this duplicated view to Level 0 Detailing. Now we're going to repeat this again for level 1 later on. We now duplicated level 0 floor plan, and you can tidy up this view for the details we would like to add in, such as annotation for door, window and rooms. To do this, we can hide section marker, hover the cursor to the section markers line, left click to select and right click to select hide in view, and then select category. So both the current section marker are now hidden. They are still in the view. If you go to level 0, the section marker is still there. However, if you want to unhide it later when you finished adding the tagging, you can go to the view control bar at the left hand bottom of the project environment. Left click to select review hidden elements. All unhide elements or unhide category will highlight in red. The unhide elements and unhide category option become active when you select add element that was hidden by elements or a category that was hidden by category. If you want to unhide the section markers, move the cursor to section marker, left click to select, and then right click to select in view category. Now both section marker are now unhide. Click on to reveal hidden elements to come out from the commands. So let's undo this and we start to add a door to the model. Go to Architecture tab, Door, and then Properties. Select types of external door and the dimension we want to place in the model. If there's limited choices for external door, we can load external door families to this project. Now we already learned this in previous video, therefore I'm not going to repeat again here. To place a door in the project, it is straightforward. Simply move the cursor to the external wall, move to select the location you want to place. We can change the door number. Select the door, double click the box and change to number 1. Click any space outside the door to finish the commands. Now we can start to place internal door. From property, we select internal door, the door side we wanted, and then start to place. Now you can change the orientation where to swing the door by click on the blue left or right arrow, and then front or the back to flip how the door swing. We now finished place the door. To escape from adding door command, hit escape key twice to come out from adding door commands. We now start to tag the room. Go to Architecture tab in Room and Area panel. Click on Tag Room command. Click into a room. Place the room tag. Once you have placed the first room tag, when you're placing the subsequent room tag, there is a blue dash line to align with the previous room tag. if you place the tag in line with the blue dashed line, the room tag will be aligned horizontally with the previous room tag. Now continue this for the rest of the room. We can also use other method to tag the rest of the room. Hit escape key twice to come out from the command. Now we will try to use place room automatically command to tag the room automatically. Go to the architecture tab, look for the room panel, click on place room automatically. Now you can see all the remaining rooms will be tagged automatically. We can change the room tag orientation and move it away from the existing location. Go to the room tag you want to reposition and change the orientation. Point your cursor to the room tag and left click to select. Go to properties, change the setting in the graphics, check to turn on the leader line. In the orientation, drop down, select vertically. Now point the cursor to the room tag you want to reposition. Left click and hold. Drag the room tag to the location you want. You can see now a leader line is created to link the room tag to the actual location. To take it back to the original setting, left click the leader line in properties, reset to the previous settings. Now let's change the name for each room tag to differentiate each room. In order to create a reception room from the corridor, we can use room separator command to do this. Go to architecture tab, room and area panel, select the room separator command. Place the line where you want to separate the area from the corridor for the receptions. Using the same method, we can also create a staff kitchen and breakout area next to the staircase. We now created 2 additional areas for reception, staff kitchen and breakout area. We need to tidy out the room tag. To remove the square feet interior area, go to architecture. In the room and area panel, select tag room. In the properties, click on edit type. In the type properties dialog, uncheck the box interior area. Click OK to make the changes. To create region for the rooms, go to Annotate tab. In Color Field panel, select Color Field region. Left click to select the location where you want to place the region on this view plan. In the Choose Space Types and Color Scheme dialog, choose rooms from the drop-down in Space Type and Color Scheme by room name. We now complete room tagging and creating regions. Thank you for watching. Please follow the next video.